Welcome to this tutorial on how to organize Pinterest pins and boards. Organizing your Pinterest account is essential to make the most out of the platform and to ensure that you can easily find the content you need. To start organizing your Pinterest pins and boards, first log into your Pinterest account. Once you are logged in, you will see your profile and all the boards you have created. If you are new to Pinterest, you can create a new board by clicking on the Create Board button. When creating a new board, give it a descriptive name that reflects the content you will be pinning to it. For example, if you are planning a wedding, you can create boards for wedding dresses, wedding decorations, and wedding venues. This will help you to categorize your pins and make them easier to find. To add pins to a board, simply click on the pin and select the board you want to add it to from the drop-down menu. You can also create sections within a board to further categorize your pins. For example, within a wedding dress board, you can create sections for different styles of dresses such as mermaid, ball gown, and lace. Another way to organize your pins is by using keywords and hashtags. When you add a pin to a board, you can add keywords and hashtags in the description field. This will help your pins to appear in search results when someone searches for a specific keyword or hashtag. To keep your boards and pins organized, it is essential to regularly clean up your account. Go through your boards and delete any pins that are no longer relevant or that do not fit with the theme of the board. You can also archive boards that are no longer active to keep your account clutter-free. In addition to organizing your own pins and boards, you can also follow other users and boards to get inspiration and ideas. When you follow a board, you will see all the new pins that are added to it in your home feed. This is a great way to discover new content and to get ideas for your own boards and pins. By following these steps and tips, you can keep your Pinterest account organized and make the most out of the platform. Remember to regularly review and update your boards and pins to ensure that they remain relevant and useful to you.